activation error. It's purring like a cat. For the last 87 days, I've had my camera with me every day. Today, we're going to do something a little bit different. Every YouTuber that I've seen seems to have their own special kind of knife for opening boxes, so it's only right I should have my own, right?
Luckily, I've got this backed up.
This one I have had for donkey's years, so let's give it a go. So as far as I'm aware, this is the first shipment of DJI MAVICs. Probably best not to do that. It's like butter, that is. What is this? Why is this so awkward? Look at this. Alright, let's just do this quickly because I don't know any better way to do it. The controller. Beautiful stuff. Cables. Cables. Charging cable. Gel. Don't eat those. Instructions. I've read a lot of instructions, but I'm still gonna read those for as expensive as this was. Battery charger. And there it is, the beauty. Let's get everything we don't need out the way. It's got a bit of weight to it, but it feels good. I like the way the little camera wobbles. Oh wait, it doesn't. It's got a little clamp on the inside here. Okay, now it wobbles. Wobble baby, wobble baby, wobble baby, wobble. Wobble baby, wobble baby. I'm not crazy, right? Am I missing a pair of propellers? That's a... get nice little bags for them as well. That's cute. Dude, it's a lot smaller than I expected it to be. Like, this is tiny. I don't have a small head. Look at the size of this. If you're watching this video because you've actually Googled DJI MAVIC Pro unboxing or drone or something, you'll know how this works. But for those of you who haven't, you open it that way, open those out, and there is your, I need to put these on obviously, the front propellers, but that is your drone. It's got a really good feel to it actually. I thought it was going to be kind of plasticky, but that sounds plasticky. That sounds plasticky, but it's not. I tell you what, this thing is more intelligent than I am. It's got 24 computers in it. Alright, let's take a quick look at, let's put that over there, or there. Let's take a quick look at this controller. I love this plasticky type stuff. Love peeling that off. The little things that please people. So this right here is the look of the controller. Got your speaker at the bottom there to play some beats. I'm just kidding, I have no idea if that's a speaker, I don't think it is. Battery at 40%. So what does that mean? I should probably charge it? This feels good though. Alright, let's leave that for a second. And let's stick these props on. Alright, so first things first, I got the propellers on. They're actually marked appropriately as to which goes on which side. I told you it's smarter than me. I need to go and charge this all up. I've only got one bit of battery on this one. I'm gonna go charge this, read over all the instructions, and hopefully we can take it out. It is dark outside. We'll try and take it out. So aside from the drone itself being absolutely incredible, this is quite a cool thing they've done. This is your battery charger to charge the actual Mavic battery. But you also need to charge the controller as well. So what they've done is added some USB ports in there. So you don't actually have to carry around a USB connector as well. Well played, DJI. So we're at just over 3 bars of battery and about 90% on the controller. I think we should take this baby for a spin. I've read the instructions, I've got a vague idea of what to do. It's dark outside, so it's not going to be much of a flight, but we'll get it taking off. Initial disclaimer, I can only hope this goes as well as I've seen it on YouTube. Okay, that's the controller in place, I think that's right. So then we just launch the DJI Go app, switch to Mavic, there we go, how to connect. It's making some weird sounds. You need to see how I look right now. So I've got 2 desk lamps lighting this place up. The drone's stuck there. I just hope that no one else drives past and sees me. It's all popping off now. What's going on? I don't care about that. Beginner mode for sure. Activation error. It's purring like a cat. I've got to download more firmware. 5 hours later, the updates are done. Alright, this interface is actually really cool. There's so much information. You got your little map in the corner here, pinpoints you, and then all of this as well. I'll go through all of this again tomorrow. Let's just try and get this thing in the air. We're up in the air. Look at this thing. Dude, this is so still. Right, so it won't let me go any further because it says it's too close. This is just what I needed. I'm gonna bring it down now, I don't trust myself. That was sick. I'm impressed. I'm really impressed. So, guys, thank you very much for watching. I'm gonna take this out. Don't know why I'm still holding this. I'm gonna take this out tomorrow into the city of Bath, fly it over the top, see what we can get. That is gonna be my first proper flight. I'm sorry we can't see much tonight, but you have to stay tuned tomorrow. Hit that subscribe button or I'll just see you back here tomorrow. This is mental. I 110% regret my decision to cycle to work this morning.